Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix MECCHA CHAMELEON bad image error or the OXC yada 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 error on MECCHA CHAMELEON. Just before we begin, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, make sure to comment down in the comment section down below and I'll happily answer them for you. So let's get straight to the video. First things first, open up your Steam right over here, click on Library, right click on MECCHA CHAMELEON, Properties, Installed Files, and verify these games and files are installed correctly. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for it to finish as it fixes any corrupted files or missing files that might be causing the error. So basically, wait for it to finish. As you can see, it is loading up. And this is what it should say: successfully validated. Close that out and relaunch your game. Once done, and if the problem still persists, the next thing that I'd recommend is basically checking antivirus on your Windows security. Click on Windows key on your keyboard, type in Windows security right over here, go to virus and threat protection, and protection history. And if you see any related for MECCHA CHAMELEON right over here, as you can see, let's for example right over here, go ahead and click on actions and restore, and it should fix the problem. Go ahead and relaunch your game and it should fix. One thing is also go ahead and right click on your game on library right over here. If the second option does not work, go to manage, browse local files, go to the executable file for the game, which is Penguin Hotel, right click on it, properties, compatibility, run this program as administrator. As you can see, click apply and then OK. Once done, go ahead and relaunch the game and it should be fixed. And one last thing that I'd recommend is go ahead and go reinstall any C++ redistributable. Go ahead and go to any browser that you like and type in C++ redistributable. Click the first link. The page should look like this. Scroll down. This is the first table, and go ahead and find the second table. As you can see, if your PC is 64-bit, click on this, download it, and if your PC is 86-bit, just go ahead and click on this. Once done, it should pop up right over here. Download and install the process. Once done, restart your PC and it should be fixed. I hope you guys find this video helpful, and if it did, please leave a like on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.